Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a crucial aspect of software development, quality assurance. Specifically, we will be discussing how to implement effective test automation strategies to ensure the highest level of quality in your software products. Test automation has become an integral part of the development process, helping teams deliver reliable and bug-free software faster. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Understanding the importance of test automation. Before we delve into these strategies, let's quickly touch upon why test automation is so important. Manual testing is time consuming and prone to human errors. Test automation not only accelerates the testing process but also increases accuracy, enabling you to catch bugs early and deliver a more stable product. Number 2. Identifying the right test cases for automation. The first step is to identify which test cases are suitable for automation. Not all test cases need to be automated. Focus on repetitive and critical scenarios that can be executed consistently. These could include regression testing, smoke tests, and performance tests. Number 3. Selecting the right test automation tools. Choosing the right test automation tool is crucial. There are various options available such as Selenium, Appium, and JUnit, among others. Consider factors like compatibility with your tech stack, ease of use, and community support when making your decision. Number 4. Creating a robust test automation framework. A well-structured test automation framework provides a foundation for efficient testing. It includes components like test scripts, data management, reporting, and error handling. By designing a scalable and modular framework, you can easily add new tests and maintain existing ones. Number 5. Prioritizing continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. Integrating test automation with your CI/CD pipeline is essential for fast and reliable releases. Automated tests should run automatically whenever code changes are made. This helps catch issues early in the development process and ensure a smooth deployment. Number 6. Implementing data-driven testing. Data-driven testing allows you to execute the same test with multiple datasets, uncovering potential edge cases and variations. This can greatly enhance the coverage of your tests and increase the chances of catching hidden bugs. Number 7. Regularly maintaining and updating tests. Just like your software, your test automation suite requires maintenance. As your application evolves, your tests need to keep up. Regularly review and update your test scripts to reflect changes in the application's functionality. Number 8. Incorporating test parallelization and distribution. To save time and resources, consider parallelizing your tests. Running tests concurrently can significantly speed up the testing process. Additionally, distributing tests across different machines or virtual environments can further optimize testing. Number 9. Monitoring and analyzing test results. Monitoring and analyzing test results provide insights into the health of your application. Identify patterns, track pass rates, and address recurring issues. This data-driven approach helps refine your test suites over time. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to implementing effective test automation strategies for quality assurance. Remember, successful test automation requires careful planning, continuous improvement, and adaptability to changing requirements. By following these strategies, you will be well on your way to delivering high-quality software products with confidence. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.